London, the first thing we had to do was get some fish and chips. So we found this local shop and the food was really good. We originally were going to stay in this area, but we had a change of plans and got this beautiful hotel instead. It was in such a nice area next to a mall and a couple of shops, which I really enjoyed. We met up with our friends afterwards and had a couple of drinks before heading down to the mall. This drink right here was a banana one, and this one was called the First Lady. At the mall, I was so happy because I finally got some pretzels. I know we have some here in Germany, but they're completely different. I was so happy to have these sugary ones. This was my first time trying Shake Shack. I know my reaction was very bland. I just got very camera shy, but I got the regular burger with pickles and bacon and an Oreo shake.
It's a tea and lemonade. What do you think? Is that shit bust?
It's good. The next day, of course, we had to have an English breakfast. I also got an English tea, which was super good. Before we had to head over to Camden Market. This market has over 1,000 stalls where you can go eat or even just shop around. I really enjoyed seeing the diversity of it all. And also they had tacos and they smelled amazing. They had food from all around the world, which was so nice to see. I'm pretty sure. Of course, I had to get a churro. They had some churro donuts and a churro filled with chocolate or a filling of your choice. Do you have the first bite?
They're good?
After the market, we did have another drink before heading out to our time slot for watching the Book of Mormon. It was so funny. It is from the creators of South Park. Doing something like this was really enjoyable, especially from walking all day and just being able to sit down and relax. I would really recommend it if you're out there in London. Here are some popcorns that we got and another drink before we watched the show. After the play, we stopped by Chinatown. They had so much food here. I knew Chinatown was going to be big, but I didn't expect it to be this big with so much food. We ended up getting these just as a little snack. After the market, we headed over to happy hour at this bar. They had a photo booth. This is how the pictures came out. As you can tell, we didn't really know where to look, but this is the bar. Oh my god, it got hard.
On the show, huh?
For the rest of the night, we just discovered more around the area. Then we headed back to our hotel to enjoy a couple of more drinks. This was my cozy outfit for the next day. We did have some afternoon tea planned out. I don't remember which tea I got, and it was okay. I feel like it was very touristy, but we really had to do it when you're in London. But I really enjoyed just spending it with my friends and hanging out. We did end up going to this beautiful park along the way to the Buckingham Palace. We found the Jersey Shore phone.
That's just so funny.
Afterwards, we headed to Buckingham Palace, and I was so excited to finally see it. I feel like it's something you must see when you're here. Even though it was really quick, we just took a couple of pictures and videos and then went along the way to see Big Ben, which was so beautiful. I really enjoyed the view, and the weather was perfect. As you can see, the sun is out.